hello again. Here we go. Oops, we'll turn on the paper. God damn it. Here we are again with a Build the Titanic Engine by Hachette. And today we have the motor. Hoorah! That's just what we want. And that you see, is actually the thrust bearing structure. Yeah, I got it wrong. You see, there's me referring to it as something in the last video. I mean, it's not that. I see a lot of that. Well, a lot of that. When I watch YouTube, like, really, people soon. Damn it. Huh. There's a screw I lost earlier. Keep treading on things under my pinkies. Yeah, and they soon jump on people. Oh. He's a meaty buggy. Meaty sweetie. The big goddamn engine. Have we got a... No, I've generally got stuff everywhere. Now, I don't know what this is off. I don't know if this is off the Titanic. But I've got multiple of these bloody battery things. Put them all over the place. Right, let me... Right, 1 second. I'll be back. That's right, I thought I'd just quickly grab a pair of batteries, stick them in here. I thought I plugged it in. What a muppet. I don't even know if that belongs to this. 10 to 1, that will be off something else. Oh well. Bugger it then. Right, so... Oh, we've got another little flywheel in there. Do we call it a flywheel? Oh, it's the main cog. Oh, now he's pretty. And some AP screws. Right, let's get to it. Right. Oh, I've got to put him on. So that he's sticking out. So he's that way. And we put him on. You can only put him on one way, so I don't know why they're showing you different ends. It only fits one way because of the holes. So, you know. So, righty ho, and then 3 AP screws. Come here. I don't think I've got 3 in there. Oh, no. God damn it. 1 out again. Just 1 screw too few. But I think we're alright. I think we're going to need a couple. Yeah. We're going to need more than the 3. Right. So it says, put that bugger on there like so. Because, well, it's that kind of guys we are. We're going to put it on. That's him. And then we're going to, I think, we'll put this on the base, because in the next issue we've got the section of the hull that fastens to the underside of that big black frame that we've been messing about with. The big black base. So there we go. Right, so he says she says if it's on there. And then ooh, pretty. Then we get this fellow. Let's get this fellow. Come here. Yeah, in the next one, it's that we've got the hull section that fastens over that to make it look pretty. So then it says we poke him through the roof, like we do. Come on, out you come. And the two screws should fit in the little gaps either side, which they do. And then we get this out here and put in the single bit there. He goes to the outside, so he fits on there like so. And don't that look damn cool? And then we screw the hell out of it again, which is 4 and 2, yeah. So we need 6 Weetabix. 4, 5, 6. Oh, there it is, look. Oh, wow. Ooh, there's lots of little things. What are they for, I wonder? Well, shall I have a look? Oh, what are they? 175G. Bolts. What are they for? Oh, I've already done them. I think I mentioned it to you a while ago. It said put these little yellow bolts just around the back there, and like 3 or 4 on this side, and the same on each leg. And I'm like, well, why aren't we doing the other 4? I thought, well, it could be for something, so I tracked them down, and they were in this issue, number 175. And basically, you're just filling in the other bits that you could have done all at the same time. I don't know why. Why not just do it all in one? It's a shitty boring job, so just do it all in one. I could not be bothered to do it again. So I thought, well, you can bugger off. So, oh wow, they don't go very far. They're not very far in. But mine is not the reason why. Tighten them in there. Like that. And then we put those in there, And then we've got 2 to go in, just near the flywheel, because it helps hold the bugger down. And then we've got to fight it out with the big boys there to I'll get that put on here, which is going to be a bugger. Maybe, he says. Yeah, so he's done. Pioink. Yes, just put the little bolts in, blah blah blah. Stupid. Stupido, stupido. Join the rod to its base. Oh yeah, I see him. 175B, 175C. I've got you. Trick missiles there. Ooh, pretty. Pretty. Yes, we've got a nice cutout there for the battery compartment. And we don't want... Christ, I panicked then. I didn't think the bolt was in it. It's stuck onto the underside of that piece of cardboard. God damn it. Don't do that to me. VM, SP, BP, AP. Oh my god. Lots of little screws. You on the floor. I might save this box. I might have a use for it. So, put him there. Right. So, you there. Right, you lot. You're all the screws for the bit. What we got? Oh, got some APs. So that can go there. You. Empty. Right. Pay attention to the orientation of the holes. I'm not quite sure. Oops. What it's on about? Why? Does it matter? It only fits in one way, so you can't. You know. You can't fasten it on the wrong way because it only fastens one way. It's got a notch cut in it, look. So, yeah, I don't know. I can understand it if it was just a straight ball with no grooves cut in it, but it's already marked out as to where you've got to put it, all notched and ready to roll. Yoink. Get him in there, like that. Oh, I get him big and chunky. And then he fits in there, and as per usual it can only go in one way, so it's not a thing. You just gotta find where it's gotta go. Yeah. And then we want 2 SP screws. Come here. I think I'm going to be long now, gang, before this is done. Oh, only 3, so Once I'm done with, chuck them over there. And you come here. And nice and happily turn on your side. Don't be all heroic. Ooh. Oh my god. Right. I'm tightening up there. And that is that. Yeah. Yunk. I've got the wire, and then we've got 175H, which is on-off label. Ooh, oh, we've got some cable ties, 175D magnets. Ooh. Let's have a look then, shall we? Right. Yeah, so as I say, take heed when you come to the yellow nuts that fit in the uprights. Just, it's up to you, mind you. I don't know. It's one of them kind of jobs where it's like, ugh, good grief, taking forever, because it is. But me, I thought, well, let's get it out of the way then, because I'm not going to enjoy doing it next time. Oh, got decals. What? A sticker. You know. Okie dokie then. And he is going to be, what's he going to be? Ooh, the magnets. 2 little magnets sitting in the tree. K-I-S-S-I-N-G. Alright. What? Really? So I say, see, it's this kind of bloody stupidity that does my treeing sometimes. We've got to take the circuit board back out again now, and one of the supports for the battery compartment. We've only just put the goddamn thing in, and they're taking the goddamn thing back out again. Okay, guys, you unplug it again. Righty ho. Yeah, they've realised they've covered the screw holes up to put that on. I make mistakes. I'm not disputing that. These guys are supposed to be like on the ball. You know, they've had people out building this before it's released. You know, it's not like they're just like, oh yeah, let's do this. No, they've had people building these things, I should imagine, before we even saw issue 1. So, not quite sure why we got around the tree. Right, let's have a look what else we're doing first before we do anything insane with anything. I need a drink. Right, so we've removed them. Okay, and then it says put that on. Oh, okay then. And then once that's on, then you got to dick about putting the cable ties and everything underneath. And the magnets go in those two holes there. So let's do that first, shall we? Come here. Thank you. You little buggers. Righty ho. Right. Do we need glue? 175D insert mission engine. It says not. Let's have a look, shall we? Oh god, no. I ain't staying in there without some glue on it. Well, I don't think it is. It seemed very flippy floppy if you ask me. So let's put a little glue in that one, a touch of glue in that one. Like that. And then you see we can drop in through. Thank you. Thank you. Hey, you silly. Okay. Why aren't you going in? Oh, I know why. It's trapping air underneath it, so it's forcing it back up. God damn it. That's a tight fit. So we shall hold him in until he is bloody done. The little bugger. Oh, that's it. Some air's come out there. There we go. Nice and smooth, are we, chaps? Yes, very good. Righty, hell then. Right. Hey, by gum, sorry. Yeah, this is going to be a laugh, isn't it? Right. So we need 8 VM screws. And the BP screws. Fasten the underside on. Just double check. Yeah, VM. So let's have a look. Then we can put the printed circuit back in, and Bob's your uncle, sorry, if you've got an uncle called Bob. Right. Poking back through there. Come here. And then he's got to slide in there like that. And he's got to go into there. And then who are Captain? He's got to Stay there for a moment. And get just a couple in just to hold him. I'll feel safer then. He's trying to make a break for it. Oh, very nice indeed. He says, very, very nice. Right. That's in. Right. So, come here. Get out of the way. Right. 1 second. There you go. Just have a minute there and a bit of bubble wrap. Then I can puddle about to my heart's content. Make life a bit easier. He says, and why the devil not? It looks like I've got to order some perspex to fit over this then. I used to there used to be an aquatic centre near me, well, not far away, a couple of miles, and I used to go there and have my tanks made. Obviously, well, they make fish tanks, so a fish tank is just a display cabinet, display stand. So I used to go to them, and then I got quite a few of them actually. And then bugger me, the aquatics place stopped getting their tanks made by them. They went elsewhere, which was a shame, because obviously then their business kind of slowed right down, if not disappeared, because they just went. I'm afraid. Which kind of sucked. So now I go online and I order perspex. I make sure it's all cut to the right size and everything, and then I put perspex over the top, which that makes me a happy sausage. One day, I meant to do it today actually, I thought about this the other day about getting the phone and going upstairs and just showing you some of the other kits that I've got upstairs, but I forgot. I goddamn forgot. Well, what can I say? Just what can I say? I'm gonna have to get a drink, or I won't be able to talk in a minute. That's that one. Right. There you go. That was the VM screws for you. So he pops back in there. Right, give me a second. Clunk, click, or clip. Right. So let's get you lot put back together again. Because, well, what can you say? Oh. You want to go out of here, Ratty? Come on, then. Come on, sausage. Right. I'm going to leave it that side. Then come here, bloody thing. God damn it. Right. And as if by magic, it's put back together again. Yay! That's one. Where's the other screw on? Oh, there he is. Trying to make a leg it. Right, so he goes there. Right, and then we've got the slide for the battery compartment. I've got speaker boy goes back in there. And you can go back on there. Oops. Right, so, and then the base goes on there. Oh my god. I forgot I just brought both screws over. I want to get another one. Right. Rup. Connect the speaker cable to there. And the cables. This is the socket. To connect him to that. Oops. Up you come. Ouch. Fingers. Right. So. Where are we? Connect speaker marked S and then connect the motor 174C marked with the M to the socket marked M. A M and a M. Right, so he goes in there, and then I'm assuming the little extension piece here goes into G. Yay! Right, and G it is, he says. Yoink. Right, and then we've got to use AP screws. Oh, I know what he's for, yeah. He's for running underneath the battery compartment so you can slide it in and out. I got ye. Ooh, steady on you, Pratt. Right, so get the screw ready, pop it in there, push the cables in the hole, and then put him into a hole there, and then screw the hell out of it. Yoink. That's that. That's that. Get off. Is that you, Ratty? I don't think. Oh, it's just a mist, is it? Is it getting you wet? Oh, poor dog. Are you a soggy doggy? Hey? Did that mist get you soggy? That's that, and last but not least, you were there all on your own. And you were there all on your own. So, no. Oh. Right, forgot about that. I'll put the base on here, don't I? I don't know why I put this down at all, to be honest with you. Right. Right. Stay. Hey, baby. Right. Ooh, don't click. Oh my gosh. Oh, very nice indeed. And we want what? Sorry, what do we fasten them on with? Oh, I forgot. They are BP. BP. And we've got some of that. Now stay. Don't go all heroic. Don't go doing anything crazy. And now he'll stand up all on his own. And just more railing on the Titanic when I've done this bit. Try and keep on top of everything while I'm able. That way, if I end up buggered, at least I can put something up. He says, in theory. Right. I've spoken to my daughter yet to see how she's going on. She's starting a new little business. I might ring her actually after this, before the Titanic. Because why the devil not? Oh. Yeah, baby, yeah. Nearly there. Nearly there, gang. Nearly there. Hey. Yep. And oh my god, not scary really, you know. Not thinking, oh damn, that's a piece of plastic snapped. Great. Put the screw back in the bag, and as if by magic, gang, she can now stand up on her own ass. Yeah. So we had a very fruitful day today. We've built all the, what was it, did I say? We built all that. We've finished putting the interior inside the base, and we've put the base cover on with screws and everything. I wonder if that's where the little plaque thing's going to go. What's that for? And this is all we've got left to do. So, what can we say? Nearly done. Oh, yeah, the battery cover next. Oh, the battery compartment and the cover. So that's going to be a nice quick one. And then all the walkways all around the engine. And then the base for the low pressure cylinder. Ew. Oh wow. Here's a chunky piece. Oh, medium pressure cylinder. Oh yeah, they go along the top. So that's where they'll be. Go away then. They'll be poking through. That's the next one. And I should imagine, last but not least, and then we're up to 182. And then we've got to put them on top, along the tops. So that's another 4 issues gone. Oh, nice rails. Are they rails? Pipes. 1 foot. No, they're handrails. They are rails indeed. There. What are you using there for? 185. I'll apply a bit of lubricant. Ooh. Okay. Oh, we're gonna get to give her a kick in the gears and turn her on. Hoorah! Oh wow! Damn, that's a busy one. Lots. Yeah, we're going to be. There's a couple of busy ones here just towards the end. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, handrails galore. Oh, look at that. Prop shaft. Propeller, sorry. Handrails again, pipes. Why they haven't put the third one on? Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's the nameplate. So I'm saying, same as last time. I don't know why they just didn't put that in with the 189. Because, well, yeah. That way it would have saved, like, you know, from issue 189. Could have just built it in one. Yeah, you can either fasten it to the shaft, or you can put it on its own little display stand. And of course, the Titanic is just a sticker. Oh, we've got a little man to give you some kind of scale as regards how big this thing is. You know what I mean? I mean, what? He doesn't reach what? It doesn't reach up to the top of that. So, yeah, excellent. So, 14 more issues. We gone. We done. Hopefully, Titanic won't be far off either. But anyway, there we go, gang. Right. As usual, thank you very much. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you all again soon. Good night.